It's me, Squishy. Hey guys, it's me, Squishy Cake Stolen, and today I am going to be showing you guys 3 squishies that came in the mail today, and I'm so excited. So yeah, I will be putting in the comments down below where I got these squishies, and yeah, let's get into the video. So the first squishy is a penguin. Oops, I dropped it. Here it is. I got cut at home. It's very soft and slow right now. I'm going to take it out the package. Oh, that is so soft. Okay, so let's put that one to the side. Go. So the next one is another penguin, but it's different. It's a fat one. It's like the other one that I have, but this one's much smaller. It's a size smaller. You can tell by its feet. I need to try to get it out. Here's one. It is so slow rising and soft. Well, we're done with that one. Guys, the last squishy is, the very last squishy is a unicorn squishy, flying. I love this one. It looks really cute. It feels kind of slow rising in the package. Now let's take it out, guys. It came ripped. By the way, all of these came all the way from China. I did order this a month ago. This squishy is my sister's squishy. Is a cute unicorn, and it is kind of slow rising, if you can tell. So here you go. My sister is the camera person right now. Yeah, that's her. So here is a squishy. And it's kind of slow rising, if you can tell. So yeah, those are all of my squishies that I ordered. My favorite. Oh, and please guys, tell me in the comments down below which one is your favorite squishy that I ordered. The mini size penguin, the cute girl penguin, or the unicorn. And my favorite is the girl penguin because it is slow rising and cute. This one is slow rising but small and kind of dirty. And this one isn't. Oh, and the unicorn is not so slow rising. It is cute, but not too slow rising like this, like the hair and the wings and the tail. The only thing that's slow rising is the white parts, like this. Those are kind of slow rising, and the pink. So guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Please like and subscribe and share with your families and friends. And also guys, if I get this video up to 10 subscribers, I will be making a morning routine, and I can't wait to make a morning routine. So yeah, please tell me in the comments down below which one was your favorite squishy that I ordered. And yeah, bye guys, peace.